Good morning. Good good morning, everyone. Okay. In the last session, we have already discussed about the chapter that in this story, the story is totally fictional, in which there is a boy. His name is Patrick, and he is very lazy. That's why he always wished to not to do the homework. But because he was not doing his homework, he was becoming ignorant day by day. And his teacher always scolds him for not doing his homework. Later in the chapter you see that one day Patrick found a small doll in the mouth of the cat, and the cat was playing with the doll. But when he saw the doll, it was not a doll, it was a little man. And the little man pleaded him for saving himself, rescue himself from the cat. Otherwise, the cat will gobble him. Okay, so that's why he asked, and he put his condition for his saving his life. What he did, he asked him that if I will save your life, you have to do my all homework for the 35 days for the semester. And he was not wishing to do his homework, but he admitted. Why? Because he was wishing to save his life from the cat. And when he when he got agreed to do the homework, what happened? Let's see. Okay, from this fifth paragraph we will start. The fifth paragraph is, and true to his word, that little f, the word written is f. इसको आप लोग f पढ़ोगे. Okay, you have to pronounce it as f. F means small man. F is a kind of species, you know. जैसे ह्यूमन एक क्या है, ये ह्यूमन भी एक स्पीसीज है ना, उसी तरीके से एफ भी एक स्पीसीज है, लेकिन ये एक फिक्शनल स्पीसीज है. तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारी मूवीज ऐसी देखी होगी, जैसे आप लोगों ने हॉबिट मूवी देखी होगी, है ना. हॉबिट मूवी में क्या होता है, कुछ नाटे लोग मिल करके दुनिया को बचाते हैं, है ना. जस्ट लाइक दैट, ये जो एफ है ये भी एक तरीके की परिकल्पना है. परिकल्पना मतलब एक तरीके का फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर है, जो कि क्या होते हैं, स्मॉल मैन होते हैं, छोटे छोटे आदमी होते हैं, जो कह सकते हो आप लोग माइक्रोमैन होते हैं. माइक्रोमैन मतलब छोटे छोटे लोग होते हैं जिन्हें देखा नहीं जा सकता, उन्हें ध्यान से देखने पर वो इंसानों की तरह ही बिहेव करते हैं, इंसानों की तरह ही उनकी बिल्कुल लाइफ होती है. ठीक है. So true to his word that the little F began to do Patrick's homework, because he had promised to the Patrick that he will do all the homework of Patrick. He started doing the homework of Patrick. Now Patrick is very happy, and because whatever he was wishing, now it came true. So except there was one glitch. There was one problem. What it was? It is glitch. It means a fault in the machine that prevents it from the working properly here. Hitch or problem. It means he was doing his homework, but there was a hindrance. Hindrance, it means there was a kind of problem what it was creating during the completion of homework. What it was, let's see. The F didn't always know what to do, and he needed help. Yeah, F was doing all the work of Patrick, but he always wanted to know something. What? He was always needing some assistance of Patrick. So what he was asking, help me would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. It means, yeah, the Patrick was very happy that the F was doing his homework, because F was not knowing he was not knowing a lot about his homework. That's why he was always asking for the help of Patrick, and Patrick had to help him because he wanted to complete his homework with the help of F. So I don't know this word. The F is squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. He always asks different questions like, I don't know this word, I don't know this thing, how to do this work, how to complete. So there were many questions asked by the F, and Patrick had to put his own effort also to complete his homework to assist the F. So give me a dictionary, know what events better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So he was also making Patrick his homework. However, it means in some way he was also making Patrick to do his homework in a little and small ways. By taking his help, in the name of his help, he was also saying and asking Patrick to do some work. You see that F is standing on different books and he is ordering to the Patrick. Even that Patrick was agreed to save his life when he will do his homework. You see that all the जितनी उसकी चालें थी वो सब क्या पड़ गई हैं, उल्टी पड़ गई हैं. You see that. So when it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. अब जब मैथ्स की बारी आई, मतलब और सब होमवर्क तो कर लिया था उसने एफ ने, लेकिन अब जब मैथ्स की बारी आई, जब मैथ्स की बारी आई तो पैट्रिक वॉज आउट ऑफ लक. अब वो तो उसके भाग्य ने उसका साथ देना बंद कर दिया. हाउ? लेट्स सी. व्हाट आर द टाइम्स टेबल्स? You know, F was not knowing about the modern mathematics. He was not knowing what are timetables. Timetable, you know, timetables, and the abstract. It means he was totally crying that he was not knowing about the timetable. And we elves never need that. मतलब कि जो elf होते थे उन्हें टाइम टेबल की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, जबकि हम लोग मॉडर्न मैथमेटिक्स में टाइम टेबल्स पढ़ते हैं बच्चों, है ना. लेकिन elf लोगों को कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, इसलिए उन्होंने कभी इस चीज़ की स्टडी करी ही नहीं. इसलिए वो बार बार पैट्रिक से क्या मांग रहा था? उसकी हेल्प मांग रहा था. And addition he was also not knowing. Subtraction he was not knowing. And division and fraction, and moreover he was not knowing all these mathematical formulas and mathematical proceedings. That's why he was asking every time from Patrick, here sit down beside me, you simply must guide me. So what F was asking for? F was asking for the help to do the addition, subtraction, division and fraction with the help of Patrick, and he asked Patrick to sit beside him and guide him. Then to them it's a mystery. Elves knows nothing of human history. Elves जो थे, मतलब जो प्रजाति होती है, उन लोगों को ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता होता है, तो वो तो उनके लिए बिल्कुल रहस्यमयी है. अब हिस्ट्री का अगर उसको होमवर्क करना है तो भी उसे क्या करना पड़ेगा? पैट्रिक से ही पूछना पड़ेगा. So the little F, already a shouter. It means he was a shouter. मतलब कि वो क्या करता था? चिल्लाता था हर बात पे. Just got louder. अब तो वो और भी तेज चिल्लाने लगा था. Why? Because go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. It means F was also not knowing how to read those history books. He was not. It means the Patrick has also not that efficient books by which he can get the answer of given in the homework. Okay. So now the F was ordering him to bring the books from the library. Then, as a matter of fact, every day in every way, that the little F was a nag, and now he was becoming nagging every day by day. मतलब he was making him irritated by his questions, and Patrick was working harder than ever. It means when he was not wishing to do his homework, he was happy. But now, because of the nagging of the F, he now got totally and completely irritated with the crying and with the shrieking of F. And now he was also staying up nights. Had never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and bleary. Yeah, the homework was completed by the F, but with the help of Patrick. Because of that, Patrick had to wake himself up at the night also to guide the F. Actually, indirectly you can say he was doing his own homework. And then finally, the last day of the school arrived and the F was free to go. Now the 35 days is spent and it was the last day of the F when he will help Patrick. As for the homework, there was no more, and so he quietly and slyly slipped out the back door. Now, now he was free to go out, and he also went away. Patrick got his A's. After the semester exam, he got A's in every subject, and his classmates were amazed. You know that whenever some child who is less educated than other, whenever he gets more marks than it was expected, it always it would be the surprise for all of the student of the class. That's why in the same way it happened to other class members, that Patrick got the very good marks and he got all the grade A's in the different subjects. So it was also the matter of praise and appreciation for the teachers, that they smiled on the Patrick and they were full of praise for the Patrick, that why he has completed his own homework and he got A's in all the subjects, and his parents were also happy because of that. They wondered, they were thinking, they were amazed that what happened to the Patrick, and he was now the model kid. अब वो सबके लिए क्या बन गया था, वो एक मॉडल किड बन गया था कि किस तरीके से एक बच्चा अपने आप को इतनी तेज़ी से इम्प्रूव कर सकता है, इस बात का वो एक रोल मॉडल बन गया लोगों के बीच. ठीक है. एंड क्लीन हिज रूम, डिड हिज चोर, ये कोरस है ना, इसको कोर्स ना. सो ही क्लीन हिज रूम, डिड हिज कोर्स एंड वॉज cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now his attitude got changed because of his working, because of his listening power, because of his concentration. So now there is a drastic change in the behavior, in the attitude of Patrick. Like he became very cheerful and he became very kind towards others. He was also doing his all course and he was also cleaning his room. So now he became very good boy, and you see in the end, Patrick still thought that he would make that tiny man do all his homework. You know, it's quite ridiculous to see that Patrick was doing his all homework because he had to help everything to do the homework and helping and guiding to the F to complete all his homework. But instead, for about thinking his own hard work, he was trying and he was wishing that F could come to him and again he will do the homework for him. But I'll share the secret just between you and me. It wasn't F, the Patrick had done it himself. Carol Moore. So now in the last paragraph, the author is speaking that you and me, it means we are the readers and he is the writer. So writer is saying to us that for the mystery, I would like to reveal that Patrick was doing all his homework just in the name of that F is doing his homework. मतलब कि F के नाम पर सारा होमवर्क पैट्रिक खुद ही कर रहा था, बस केवल ये नाम किसका हो रहा था, F का हो रहा था. तो ये एक राज की बात है कि पैट्रिक सारा होमवर्क खुद ही कर रहा था, बस केवल उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो अपना होमवर्क F से करवा रहा है, लेकिन असलियत में तो ये है कि रियलिटी है कि वो अपना सारा होमवर्क खुद ही कर रहा था. So this is the story for those students who don't do their homework. Okay, and it is telling you, it gives you a model that you should do your homework, otherwise you will become ignorant, and if you will do your homework, you will become cheerful, you will become kind, and you will also change your attitude towards others, your behavior. Okay, so the whole story has been completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, and I will send you the question and answer in your WhatsApp class. And I would like to tell you that you have to make your literature copy Okay, so I am telling you, listen to me very carefully. You have to make your literature copy with making an index. I hope it would be available in your copy in your register. So first you have to do, you are supposed to write chapter number, then chapter name, then author name as the Carol Moore is written already, and later you will start with the word meaning which is given in this chapter. Then you will write your question answer. I hope I am very much clear about the working, about the procedure, how to complete the chapter. And if you have any question, you can ask me right now. Okay, and let me put off the camera also.